The founder of Amazon, worth over $180 billion, is Jeff Bezos. The CEO of Tesla, worth over $150 billion, is Elon Musk. The co-founder of Microsoft, worth over $120 billion, is Bill Gates. The founder of Facebook, worth over $100 billion, is Mark Zuckerberg. The CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, worth over $135 billion, is Warren Buffett. The founder of SpaceX, worth over $150 billion, is Elon Musk. He's CEO of LVMH Louis Vuitton Moët Hennessy, worth over $204.6 billion, is Bernard Arnault. The co-founder of Google, worth over $138 billion, is Sergey Brin. He's CEO of Oracle, worth over $153.9 billion, is Larry Ellison. The founder of Zara, worth over $112.2 billion, is Amancio Ortega. The founder of Alibaba, worth over $50 billion, is Jack Ma. The chairman of Reliance Industries, worth over $114.4 billion, is Mukesh Ambani. The co-founder of Google alongside Sergey Brin, worth over $2.1 billion, is Larry Page. The CEO of Apple, worth over $1 billion, is Tim Cook. The CEO of Bloomberg LP, worth over $99.7 billion, is Michael Bloomberg.